Hi, dear friends, dear aspirants. Good evening to all of you. I'm Justin, and welcome to Gallant IAS. Today, I will answer a handful of questions, probably the most important questions entire nation wants to know, or the civil service aspirants across the nation want to know. We got a lot of questions from UPSC aspirants across the nation. Let me read it out for you. Yeah, the first one. Sir, I never being a topper in any of my exams in school days or college days. Can I still clear UPC exam, civil service exam? Sir, I am from a rural background, from the poorest family. I have language issues. I cannot speak in English. Can I still clear civil service exam? Sir, I have been a backbencher. I am an introvert. I never succeed in any of my competitive exams. Can I still clear this civil service exam? Sir, I am a normal person. I never attended any competitive exams, but I have a dream of it. Can I clear civil service exam? Sir, I am the son of rickshaw puller. Sir, I am the son of security guard. I am the son of the farmer. My family income is very, very low. Can I afford the expense of civil service exam, civil service coaching? Sir, very often we sleep on empty stomachs. Can we still think of or dream of civil services? There are tons of questions like this. Let me tell you, my dear friends, if you have a dream, you have the courage to continue your dream, if you're ready to work hard, and if you're ready to put that smart hard work, if you are not ready to give up your dream, if you have the courage to continue your dream, if you do not listen to the negative vibes and negative people, if you have patience, if you have faith in yourself, and if you have perseverance, definitely you can clear this examination, no matter whether you were a backbencher, no matter whether you are a college dropout, no matter whether you are from a socially economically unprivileged or underprivileged background, no matter what others think about you, no matter whether you are son of a millionaire, whether you are son of a rickshaw puller or farmer or anybody, nothing matters. What matters is your courage to continue your civil service dream and your willingness to put that smart hard work on your dream. Definitely you will clear this. Many proven. Example, you go for anybody, be it Kuldeep, it is Ansar, or it is Hassan, or it is Sridhanya, or it is Anjali. You go for anybody. There are loads of civil service heroes are there. Civil service toppers are there. They faced many difficulties, that is financial difficulties or maybe emotional difficulties, different poor backgrounds or different situations. You know, they are also from different situations. They also faced many challenges, but they cleared and they become the heroes and motivation for many because they had the courage to continue their dream. They have that patience and perseverance to put their smart hard work into that, and finally they come up with the flying colors. They cleared this exam and they become toppers of this exam. Now, please try to understand few things regarding this examination. Only 100 rupees is required for this civil service examination, only 100 rupees, and for women even that 100 rupees is exempted. Now, this examination has one of the simplest syllabus ever any competitive exam have. You see, you have to study history, economy, geography, polity, environmental science, current affairs, whatever happening in your surroundings, and the basic mathematics and reasoning. You have to study it very systematically. And it is not everything under the sky. It has a very defined syllabus. You have to study according to the syllabus. Any people from the poorest backgrounds also, people from the socially economically underprivileged backgrounds also from any backgrounds, you can dream of civil services, you can prepare for civil services, and even so many materials are available on free of cost. Either it is online, offline, so many sources are there, so many materials are there, so many solutions are there for getting the free coaching and free availability of the resources. Even with good mentorship, good guidance, you can do the preparation at your home itself. You must have the clear vision, good mentorship, and good guidance, and with that even you can do it self at your home also. Then what matters here, what matters here is what the people in your surroundings talk about your preparation. Nothing matters, that doesn't matter. What matters here is your strong conviction. You must have a feeling. If the dream is stronger, you must trust on that, you must work for that, and you will achieve it. Again, regarding the language, okay, regarding the language, it is not at all an issue. You can give your exam, your mains, your interview, you can give in your language you choose. Prelims examination, you know that this exam has prelims, mains, interview. Prelims is objective exam, four choices are given for each question, select one, the most appropriate choice you select. Coming to mains is descriptive, but even you can write in your own language. Interview also you can give in your own language. So language is not an issue, finance is not an issue. Okay, your school college backgrounds is not an issue. UPC is simply demanding like any graduates from any stream. You need not to be a topper, you need not to be an NIT or IIT, nothing. Even with a simple graduation degree, simple degree, art subjects or any subjects, you can appear for this examination. Okay, so you are a backbencher, you are not a school college topper, or you are from financially poor background, or you have language issue, you are from rural area, nothing matters here. If you have confidence, if you have courage, and if you really wish to clear and become a true servant of the nation, civil servant of the nation, definitely, yes, you can start preparation from today itself. So many free coaching, free material, free resources are available. Okay, so don't worry. This is, it all depends on your strong conviction. You know, if you are ready to, you are determined to clear, definitely you will clear. Nothing will stop you. And UPSC is very democratic. It is not at all a discriminatory body. No allegations on UPSC. It is purely transparent body. And of course, if you prepare well, work smartly, you will be selected. No biasness, no nepotism, no favoritism, nothing is there. Okay, it is purely a democratic exam. It is suits everyone, it helps everyone, and in fact, UPSC will select the most deserving aspirants who will be potential enough to serve the nation. Okay, your school degree, college degree, or your NIT, nothing required here. If you have the qualities of serving the nation, definitely you will be chosen. So think about like this, it is democratic exam, and you are going to serve the nation, you are going to serve one of the best democracies of the world, and prepare according to the syllabus demand, and you should have confidence, courage, determination, and conviction, and you will clear. Okay, don't worry about anything else. uh yeah, that's it. And Gallant IAS is there to support you if you have civil service dream. With our online offline programs, we are there to support you. If you have any doubts regarding this exam, the pattern, anything, feel free to contact us, get the mentorship, get the support of our mentors and toppers. Definitely we are there to support you and cherish your civil service dream. Thank you so much.